Creating 3D videos has never been so easy with DaVinci Resolve, and here's how to do it. So first, go ahead to your Effects section and go to the toolbox and search for Fusion Composition. Then you want to drag it to your timeline. And after dragging it, simply right-click and open it in the Fusion page, or just go directly in the bottom right here. Then from here, we want to add our merge buttons. So first, we need to add a merge. Now after adding a merge, we want to add our 3D renderers. We want to add a camera 3D, then we want to add an image plane 3D. Then we want to import our image. So go to your files and then drag an image. Then we want to connect that image to the image plane 3D. Then we want to connect the camera 3D to the merge 3D, then connect the merge to the renderer 3D, and then connect the renderer 3D to the media out. So after we connected all these, then we want to add a duplicate 3D. So basically just add a duplicate 3D. After adding the duplicate 3D, you need to connect the image plane 3D to the duplicate 3D. After connecting the duplicate 3D to the merge 3D, we then go ahead and connect and watch this on the video. So as you can see right here, we have the 3D video. You can then go ahead and see and adjust the settings on how it should look like. Now in order to make it 3D, we go ahead to the duplicate 3D and go to the inspector and make the copies into 100. Then we add a offset or a Z offset on the images and set it to 0.001 in order to make it look like this, which should now look like a 3D panel. Now after that, now the only thing left to do is to just animate this. So basically we want to add another erode right here, and after we animate, it should now be able to play as a 3D video. And that's how you can basically create 3D videos in DaVinci Resolve. If you like this video, check out these other video recommendations below. Please leave your comments, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.